shield on the leading edge of the wing, because if you rub your hand down it, it'll touch your fingers. That's the wing section at the tank. Full surface of the right wing. Not much area. Needless to say, they had a lot of accidents with this aircraft. The only thing that saved it was its light weight. Here, when they lift that beauty, I think it's a French design, Slid, I think it's French. E-262, one of their first jet fighters. And right above it is their Comet, the Me-163 rocket aircraft. One of the first funny cars. I can't tell the front from the back. This must be the back, even though the radiator is back here. That's a funny car. The auxiliary unit they towed the jet planes around with. A tank built into a motorcycle. This is how they used them. Going along the 262. There's a cutaway center section of your probably Airbus or one of the super jets. There's a window seat. We're watching the movies, you got the shades down. And right next to the Comet, we got the Buzz Bomb.
We're at the Deutsches Museum in downtown Munich, Germany.
Fast aircraft could get underneath the wing and tip them. Throw them off kilter. So this guy's got one engine left. Let's hope it's working. There's an Arado AR-66D. And this is what they look like when they sit in the water for too long a period of time. They get old fast. There'd be a lot of work to this little jewel before you wanted to recover it. On an Airbus A300. Landing lights off. The brake pads on the MD-11. Airliner row.
Shows the development of jetliners.
Well, how'd that get in there? Oh, that's a military airliner. There's the fast one, Air France, Concorde. Good look, you don't see Pan Am anymore. And this is what we saw the cutaway of. I'm pretty sure it was A300. Back end of that A300. Flat system. Rear of the engine. There. Shows you what you've been flying on. Here's a flying model of an early helicopter, the Focke-Wulf 61, 1934.
Yeah, twin-cylinder engine.
Twin-cylinder inline. Spark ignition. On here. Early helicopters. There's another Focke-Wulf. That's the one that probably Hannah Reich flew in the inside arena. There's a double row rotary auto motoring slug motor. Yay. 335 front and back, I imagine. Here's the crankshaft for the new Fox engine that Betty says they're going to bring out shortly. Well, this is a shot from the top of the building here. Looking down on part of Munich. There's the cities, all cities are full of these majestic churches. And it's almost 20 degrees Celsius, which makes it very comfortable. And according to the wind meter, it's southwest, but it doesn't look like there's any wind at all. Remember, we're in the latitude of Vancouver, BC. It's overcast. This is the Bucher Youngman. Well, I bet it gets windy out there. There's a catapult plane from Ernst Haenkel. I think this went on board the ship, and when they got so many miles from New York, they'd catapult the mail and arrive 2 days ahead of time. Haenkel seaplane. This is the undersides of an A300 Airbus. This is what keeps you up there. The lower wing, underneath the wing. Airfoil design. We got the slats on the leading edge here. They fold back in the wing for higher speed. And then you got the flaps on the rear. Give you more lift at slow speed. Well, there's a lot here for the boat guys too, if they want to come on over and take a peek. Now this is looking out into the courtyard. I'd say it's about 65 to 70 degrees out today, overcast. Beautiful for just seeing museums. Say goodbye from the Deutsches Museum in downtown Munich, Germany. I highly recommend it. See you guys next time.
Well, we're at the Canby Dusters Field, a couple miles due west of Donald, Oregon. This is a Lockheed Sirrus aircraft built by Tony Caragol. This was not a test flight, but he was putting on a demo for us. We didn't get any of the audio on this flight. It only lasted about a minute and a half. Beautiful aircraft, though. Beautiful aircraft. Tony says he's going to enter it in the 1996 Evergreen Scale Rally at Lenhart's Air Park, Hubbard, Oregon, first weekend in August.
Ready for their fly-in. Looks like we're the first ones here.
It's 10 a.m.
Well, let's go check it out here.
This is Leeton, New South Wales, Australia.
Well, this is the runway for the jets here at Leeton. This is the Leeton Model Airplane Club. Quite a bit of wind this morning, Easter morning. We're almost right in the middle of New South Wales. I guess the guys are still in church. Nice grass area there for
Nice clubhouse. Max and Margot waving at us. Those intrepid tourists from Australia. And we're gonna maybe drive back into town and shop around. Beautiful, clean, neat little towns out in this area. In fact, any little place you go through in Australia seems to be clean and neat. Now this to me means there's an indication of wind in this area. Nice green spot here for the flight line. We just found out that the flying doesn't start till 12 noon. It's in conjunction with the Leeton Rice Festival that occurs every 2 years. Out to the local airfield and check out their glider flights. Being Max is a big glider guider, we're going to get him up in the air here for 15 Australian.
No, we're not.
Right, Max?
I don't.
Okay, if you don't go, I'll go.
Oh, good.
Max Hasten is my distributor in Australia.
They throw these sailplanes into the air with, and it's about 5,500 feet long. They just brought it from across the field. Vehicle they use to run across the field to pick up the tow cables after the gliders drop them. He's unlatched one of them already. This is an ISB 28-2. And where are these manufactured? Where? Romania. This is a Romanian glider. This is Scale Aviation.
And the wind is blowing.
Nice landing.